this is basically my first video, but also my first tutorial. But before, this won't be for my first video. I'm guessing this will be my 0th video. Yeah. You can know my birthday now. You can know my birthday now. And stuff. So this is not really my first video. My first video will be posted at 10 o'clock hopefully. My voice won't be in it, so that's why I edited it. Anyways. There. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to do your banner and how to create it too. Okay, there. So press on this pencil right here, just magical pencil that the eraser doesn't combine with it. Okay, so press that there. And it's gonna be and then you have a camera and this profile picture right here, like that. And then you also have this picture right there. But today we're gonna learn about the banner, which is behind the purpleness photo. Yeah, so the green, white, blue, yellow, and red thing. All those circles and shapes. And I'm scrolling now, but as you can see, it's 8:00. Okay, anyways, back to the video. So we want to find displays as your YouTube banner. So just put this, go back with your YouTube. So I chose one. This one looked kind of matching, but still at the same time it doesn't. I'll look at cute ones. Which ones do they have? I need like a purple so it will match. Okay, yeah, these are weird. Okay. Okay, yeah, I won't keep with that one. Back up. I'm weird. Okay, so I'll do this right here. Add the photos. Then you want to get Abyss Paint X. Then you want to go in your app, not if you just downloaded it or if you already had it, but and then you look at the daily. Never mind. Then you go here, and as you see, it cannot draw at all. That's my sister right there. Oh my goodness, like braces. What did I do to my poor sister? Yeah, this is weird. So we're gonna go to important photo. Go to your thing and camera size to your original. Then you have it right here. So you want to press on this thing that you see lighting up. Go on. Text. I'll try to edit this. Yeah, back to the thing. Okay, so then you want to choose your color. I'm gonna go with white. And then put your little YouTube thing, and then just size it up. I'm gonna do like right there, just a little bit more. Okay. Then for the text, maybe something like, what should I do with this? I'll do something else with this. Yeah, maybe like this. Laggy. Font. I'll let you go for like some cursive. So after you can spend 20 minutes finding cursive. Are you serious? I'm choking. You know what I'll just do is roll it calculate. You know what, I'm gonna lower the size a little bit. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's my username. Hold up. Sandbox. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, so now you just want to do any weird things that you want to do.